Okay, debtors journal. Now the debtors journal, we're going to record what type of transactions? It's credit as well, but it's sales, right? So now we are selling. We're going to be recording all transactions that happen with our debtors, okay, and therefore debtors journal. Now we will record these transactions from which source document? It'll be a duplicate, because remember we give the original to the customer. So it's a duplicate credit invoice, and we're going to record our transaction. Columns are very similar. The only difference will be that it affects which account? Debtors control. So we have document number, day, details, your debtors control. Then you have output VAT. Why is it output VAT? Because goods are leaving our business, so it's output VAT. Now if a customer brings goods back, it's goods coming back into our business, and it's input VAT. Okay? Now when you think about goods, don't think about physical goods. Think about value of inventory coming in. Because sometimes when, let's say, it was defective goods and we give them a 50% rebate, we don't get the physical goods coming in, right? But it is a value that's reducing our sales, or our inventory is going to go up, right? So then you will, it'll affect your input VAT because it's coming back to the business. Okay, now what type of inventory system is this? Can anyone tell me? Perpetual, right? Why? Yes, because we have a cost of sales column, and we know that we only update our inventory on a continuous basis when it is the perpetual inventory method. All understand that? Right? Okay, so any questions about debtors? No? You'll notice that we don't have any sundry columns here, because we generally wouldn't sell anything else besides our stock on credit to anyone else. Okay? So that's why we don't have the sundry columns here. Yes?
Then just for interest sake, if they don't tell me what type of the transaction was, let's say they just say trading inventory purchased, can you assume that from the source document when they give you CC, it's a check counted for and it's a cash transaction, and if it's something else, then it's a credit transaction?
Generally, they will give you information about the source documents, what they represent. But if it's a check, then you'll say like a CC number, right? Then you'll assume it's cash. And if you see an original invoice, then so we were saying, yes, generally it'll be an original invoice means a credit purchase. A duplicate invoice will imply a credit sale. But that information, they will give it to you. They will tell you what these source documents represent.